There was a cat who lived alone in a local park. He had no problem with food because in that local park, people helped the cats a lot. One of this cat's eyes was damaged due to a fight with other cats, and this could be a problem for him. He was a curious, intelligent, and very funny cat. And he knew that he had to deal with his loneliness. Of course, food is also an important issue. But it was not considered a problem in the park where he lived. His main problem was loneliness. Loneliness. And having a partner. This was the problem of many cats in this park. Many cats live in this park with good food. They all live together but alone. They eat alone, sleep alone, and fight alone. But the problem is that they are all alone. Loneliness.